Hello, this is Gio. Hey, look what we have here. We have a squirrel. And what's the squirrel doing? Well, he is eating out of my bird feeder. So like many people, I like to feed birds, especially in the wintertime when food is scarce. And I do actually enjoy feeding the squirrels as well. I like watching them as they kind of eat, and I look out my window, and it's kind of a fun thing to do. However, squirrels have a tendency to pig out and eat the food faster than I want to put it out. And so it sort of limits the amount of seed that the birds get because the squirrels eat it too fast. And so I've been looking for a solution, and I think I found one. And this is what it is, the Audubon Squirrel-Proof Tube Bird Feeder. Now, I've been dubious in the past about these so-called squirrel-proof bird feeders. Now, squirrels are very smart and very athletic, and I've probably seen the same videos as you have showing squirrels ruthlessly getting into any squirrel-proof bird feeder you can put in front of them. So when I saw this in the store, I wasn't quite sure about it, especially for the ticket price of $40. But I also knew that I was kind of spending a fortune on these squirrels, feeding them so often, so I figured I needed to try something. Now, this particular bird feeder is actually manufactured by a company named Woodlink, who is authorized by the National Audubon Society to use the Audubon name. They also manufacture and sell a number of other Audubon branded items. And so I figured I'd try out this feeder myself. And here it is in my yard, and you can see the squirrel is actively trying to get into the food that's inside. Now, the way the feeder works is there's an outside little cage, as you can see, and there's like a spring up on top. When the squirrel climbs on the screen will drop, effectively limiting access to the feeder holes in the feeder. When the squirrel leaves the feeder, the spring lifts up the screen and birds can access the feeder holes once again. Now, I apologize for the quality of this video. This was actually taken from my iPhone. And really the squirrel, or should I say squirrels, there's about 4 or 5 of them that visit my yard. They pretty much gave up on this feeder after a couple of days of trying. And so I really couldn't get video after a couple of days because they just gave up. Now I still have the other feeders outside, which they can access. I don't fill those up nearly as often as I used to because I think they need to forage for their own self periodically, but they still have access to the other feeders, and the birds essentially have free access to their own personal feeder without the fear that the squirrels will eat up all their food. And there you go. That is the Audubon Squirrel-Proof bird feeder. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please hit that like button at the bottom of the screen and even consider subscribing to my channel. I have many more videos to come. Bye-bye.